If this is your first time opening your safe, you must first unlock dial with key. Then rotate dial clockwise until it stops. You can now open your safe. Rotate dial counterclockwise 5 rotations to clear the lock, stopping on 0. Turn dial clockwise, tasking the first number in the combo for time, stopping on the number the 5th time. Next, turn dial counterclockwise, tasking the second number in the combo 3 times, stopping on the number the 4th time. Then turn dial clockwise, tasking the third number in the combo 2 times, stopping on the number the 3rd time. Then turn dial counterclockwise, passing the last number in the combo 1 time, stopping on the number the 2nd time. Finally, turn dial clockwise until it stops at approximately 87. The lock bolt is retracted when the dial no longer turns to the right. To lock, turn dial counterclockwise 5 rotations. First, set dial to 20. Then input your 8-digit code into keypad and press enter. Note: 01, the first 2 numbers of your combo, are also your user ID. Then turn dial clockwise until it stops at approximately 87. To lock, turn dial counterclockwise 5 rotations. First, enter your user ID and combo. From main menu, select Change Combo. Enter your new combination. Confirm by entering your new combination again. If accepted, success will appear on screen. Test new combo before closing safe door. Press button found on lower right side of keypad and twist keypad counterclockwise, then twist battery cover counterclockwise. Replace the batteries, replace the battery cover, then replace keypad.